Exploring Greek vegan cuisine, delicious recipes and traditions. Greek cuisine, renowned for its rich flavors and diverse ingredients, offers a wealth of options for vegan enthusiasts. By embracing the natural abundance of vegetables, legumes, and grains, Greek vegan food not only satisfies the palate, but also promotes a healthy lifestyle. This exploration of Greek vegan cuisine will introduce you to some traditional recipes, highlighting the simplicity and depth of flavors inherent in these dishes. Greek vegan cuisine, a culinary journey. Greek vegan food draws heavily from the country's Mediterranean heritage, incorporating fresh, seasonal produce and aromatic herbs. Staples such as olive oil, lemon, garlic, and a variety of vegetables play a crucial role in creating hearty and wholesome meals. Below, we delve into a few classic Greek vegan recipes that showcase the essence of this vibrant cuisine. 1. Fasolada, Greek bean soup. Fasolada is a classic Greek soup made with white beans, vegetables, and herbs. This nutritious dish is both hearty and comforting, perfect for a family meal. Ingredients: serves for 6, 1 cup dried white beans, soaked overnight, 1 large onion, finely chopped, 2 carrots, sliced, 2 celery stalks, chopped, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 1, 4 cup olive oil, 1 can, 14.5 ounces, crushed tomatoes, 6 cups water or vegetable broth, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley, chopped for garnish. Instructions: drain and rinse the soaked beans in a large pot. Heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the onions, carrots, celery, and garlic. Sauté until the vegetables are tender. Add the beans, crushed tomatoes, water or vegetable broth, bay leaf, and oregano. Bring to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer for 1.5 hours, or until the beans are tender. Season with salt and pepper. Serve hot, garnished with fresh parsley. 2. Bryom, Greek roasted vegetables. Bryom is a delightful medley of roasted vegetables, perfect as a main dish or a side. The combination of flavors from the vegetables and herbs makes this dish truly special. Ingredients: serves for 2 large potatoes, thinly sliced, 1 large eggplant, sliced, 2 zucchinis, sliced, 2 bell peppers, sliced, 2 tomatoes, sliced, 1 large onion, sliced, 4 cloves garlic, sliced, 1/2 cup olive oil, 1/4 cup fresh parsley, chopped, 1 tsp dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat your oven to 375 degrees F, 190 degrees C. In a large baking dish, layer the vegetables, sprinkling garlic, parsley, oregano, salt, and pepper between the layers. Drizzle with olive oil, making sure all the vegetables are well coated. Cover with aluminum foil and bake for 45 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for an additional 30 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender and slightly caramelized. Serve warm or at room temperature. 3. Dolmades, stuffed grape leaves. Dolmades are a popular Greek dish consisting of grape leaves, stuffed with a flavorful rice mixture. These bite-sized delights are perfect for appetizers or as part of a meze platter. Ingredients: serve 6/8, 1 jar, 16 ounces, grape leaves, rinsed and drained, 1 cup long grain rice, 1 large onion, finely chopped, 4 green onions, chopped, 1/4 cup pine nuts, 1/4 cup currants, 1/4 cup fresh dill, chopped, 1/4 cup fresh mint, chopped, 1/4 cup fresh parsley, chopped, 1/2 cup olive oil, juice of 2 lemons, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a large skillet, heat half the olive oil over medium heat. Add the onions and green onions, and sauté until soft. Add the rice, pine nuts, currants, dill, mint, parsley, salt, and pepper. Cook for a few minutes, then add 1 cup of water. Simmer until the water is absorbed. Allow the mixture to cool. Place a grape leaf on a flat surface. Put a teaspoon of the rice mixture in the center and roll the leaf tightly, folding in the sides as you roll. Place the dolmade seam side down in a large pot. Continue until all the filling is used. Drizzle with the remaining olive oil and lemon juice. Add enough water to cover the dolmades. Place a heat-proof plate on top of the dolmades to keep them submerged. Simmer on low heat for about 40 minutes. Serve warm or chilled, with a drizzle of olive oil and a squeeze of lemon. Conclusion: Greek vegan cuisine offers a tantalizing array of dishes that are both nutritious and delicious. By focusing on fresh, wholesome ingredients and simple preparations, these recipes highlight the natural flavors of the Mediterranean. Whether you're looking for a hearty soup, a vibrant vegetable medley, or a delightful appetizer, Greek vegan food has something to offer. For more tips and recipes on vegan and Mediterranean cooking, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more culinary inspirations.